Hello everybody, my name is Manuel and I'm with Icon Pest Control. I'm one of the owners. A good friend of mine, David, put me up to this challenge and what the hell, let's give this thing a shot. So from what I've been hearing, it's very, very, very hot. It's from the Carolina Reaper. It's the Pacquiao One Chip Challenge. Now, if you're man enough, you get to, I guess, put this out there. One Chip Challenge Champion 2020. They had another version of this come out, I believe last year. It wasn't as strong as this one, so this is the new and improved. Now, before I put this fucking thing in my mouth, not open, as you can see, but before I put this in my mouth, I just want to let everybody know a little bit. And first off, I'm doing this to kind of just get it out there, get the info out there. You know, me and my buddy were talking about it. People have been watching these reactions, you know, hundreds and thousands of views and whatnot. So I wanted to pretty much get my business name out there and earn your guys' business. I'm willing to do whatever it takes to make sure that you guys are happy. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get this thing started. And I'm going to try to pitch you guys all my services, you know, while I also eat this shit. So everybody needs to know I like hot stuff. Like, this isn't too crazy for me. I've done similar things before, not as hot, but I want to offer everybody a deal here. Oh god damn, this shit looks nasty. The black fucking chip. I don't even know if I want to do this shit. Look, if I do this shit, you guys gotta like and subscribe to my YouTube. It's new. I need all the followers that I can get. Facebook, Icon Local Pest or Icon Pest Control. Same thing on Instagram, Icon Local Pest or Icon Pest Control. On my actual Instagram, it's Manny Perez. Icon, same as Facebook, Manny Perez. And 5 minutes. Let's see here. Oh, it's already pretty hot. I didn't even eat the whole thing yet. I want to sneeze, but I don't want to sneeze. I don't want to get it in my nose. Holy fuck. Now to my nose. I don't know if smelling it made me sneeze or just actually tasting it made me sneeze. Now, before I'm not able to talk here, so Icon Pest Control, we're known for our scorpion control. Normally we charge about $99 for an initial flush out. Since everybody's watching this video, I want to give you a discount. $39 for your initial flush out. All you got to do is mention the Pacquiao One Chip Challenge, and I'll give you that discount on your initial service. We're open Monday through Sunday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So, I'm out there every day earning your guys' business, taking care of your bugs, making sure you guys are happy. So, what time is it right now? 6. Okay, so I'm going to wait out this time. Hopefully, it's not too bad. My nose is dripping already. I started sneezing right away. But it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I don't know. Maybe it gets worse as it goes on. I don't know. But got a few minutes here. Anyways, yeah. Woo. Yeah, so if I can keep this up, I'll be good. It's honestly not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be way hotter than that. This is cake. I know I told my brother to do this as well. His name's Tootie. He owns True Fades Barbershop. Now he has 2 locations, all in the West Valley. I believe one's in Surprise and one's in Glendale. So if you need a nice cut, go to True Fades Barbershop. He's also on Facebook. Our phone number for the pest control is 602-748-9732. Holy hell. A couple minutes. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's fucking hot, but it's not that bad. It's not gonna kill you. All day. I hope you guys like this. Halloween's around the corner. I hope everybody goes out and you guys have a good time. Just be safe. Wear your masks. Both masks, I guess. Halloween mask, your medical mask, whatever you want to call it. But just be safe when you're out there. Also, want to give a shout out to another company that I'm working with. Excuse me. Tongue tied here. And my lips are burning. Scorpion Repel. Pretty awesome service. They created a product that makes the surface of the home, the foundation, smooth and slick like glass, and scorpions are not able to climb up. Combined with my service, it makes the scorpions pretty much stay in my product longer, which kills them a lot quicker. The longer they're in my product, the faster they're going to die. Now, it only takes 2-3 minutes for them to die after coming in contact while it's wet. When it's actually dry, it's a slower kill, but it does have a residual effect of over 60 days. So it's an awesome product. Again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Icon Pest Control, or Icon Local Pest on Instagram, as well as Facebook, Icon Pest Control. Like, share this video. Appreciate it, you guys. Thank you so much. I believe it's been about 5 minutes. It's saying 1 hour, but I'm not doing it that long. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. I got a bunch more stuff out there, but